So, have you guys spotted the problem yet? Over here, everything's all lit up. Over here, we got an inner that isn't lit up. And that's what we're going to be working on today. And you guys already knew that from the title of this video. So, sit back and let me walk you through this. Get it changed out so you guys can figure out how to do it on your own car as well. Alright guys, first things first, obviously, we need a new inner tail light. Here's the new inner. The nice thing is, other than it being broken, the LED portion, the old one's quite faded, as you can see side by side. This is a brand new OEM one. I bought it from FCP Euro. It was under $100, I think. They do make replicas of these as well for people that are upgrading from pre-LCI to LCI, so you can go that route as well. So let's get into what we need to access to be able to replace this. Alright guys, so to be able to remove this felt piece to have access to the inner taillights, what we need to do is remove 10 clips. The clips look like this. There's a top portion and the inner portion. What you need to do is just get a flathead behind here, pry below the head, and then you pull them both out together. There's actually 10 clips. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there's one up here and one up here. So make sure you remove all 10 of those, and then I'll show you guys what's behind there. Alright guys, so once you remove all those clips, this just pulls straight off. I'm leaving it here hanging because it hangs by that little thing that is in the trunk for an emergency release in case you lock somebody in the trunk. Wild government stupid stuff. But once that's done, you come over here and you can see the screw for the inner taillight. What you need is a 10 mil. Good luck finding your 10 mil, but once you do, you take this screw off, you take the bracket off, and then the taillight is just going to pull out, and then you unplug the harness. So let me get through with that and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So now that I removed that 10mm nut, what I'm gonna do is just pull the light straight out. It's literally that simple. There's a harness. There's one little clip right here. Just pinch the clip down and then pull the harness out. Obviously, the next thing is to install the new one. I'm going to go through here and clean this out because my OCD will never forgive me. And once I clean this out and install the new taillight, we'll take a look and make sure that everything works. Alright guys, so now that I went ahead and tightened up this 10 mil, I'm going to lower the trunk back down and I'm going to turn the lights on to make sure that it's indeed working. So let me go do that real quick. Alright, let's see. Yep, there it is. It's that simple. And it's a common thing on these cars. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the driver's son one as well, because you can see it's all faded. It doesn't match the nice new one over here. And then I'm actually not going to button up this because I have another mod that I'm going to do in a future video. So make sure you guys subscribe, like the video if it helps you out. Make sure to leave any comments if you guys need any help with anything. And I will see you guys in the next one. Appreciate it.